Are you tired of wasting time and money on invalid email addresses while running your cold email marketing campaign? In this video, I will show you how to quickly verify emails using MillionVerifier, a powerful tool to keep your email list clean and boost your campaign success. Let's dive in. MillionVerifier is a comprehensive email verification service designed to improve email deliverability and protect email reputation. Check out the links in the description if you would like to try the tool yourself. You need to create an account before you can use MillionVerifier. You can visit their website at millionverifier.com. You can see here I am on the MillionVerifier website. Here we have under solutions, clean old email lists, verify new emails, and in services we have email checker, email list verification, bulk email verifier with API, and then they say they have 99% accuracy rate, and here they have a lot of integrations as well. And here you can look at the help documentation or API documentation, and here we have the pricing plan. The way it works is you need to buy the credits and each email verification will count as 1 credit, and good thing is they never expire. You can see here the prices for different number of credits you want to buy. For example, if you want to buy 10,000, you need to pay $37. Click on this create account to get started. This is a sign up screen. You need to provide a work or business email address here and then provide a password and then click on this create account. Here I am logged into my MillionVerifier account. As soon as you sign up, you will receive 500 credits so that you can try it out. Each good email verification result will cost you 1 credit. Here on the left side, you see different options. First is email verification, then buy credits, then credit balance. You will be using this email verification option to verify the emails. And then we have this buy credits option. When you want to buy more credits, you can click on this and then buy the credits here. And then you can click on this credit balance to take a look at your credit balance in your account. You see here, you will get 500 welcome credits as soon as you sign up that I mentioned earlier. And then I bought 10,000 credits. As you verify your emails, the credits will be subtracted, and the good thing is, like, when you are not using the risky emails, those many credits will be put back into your account. We can see this in action when I show you how to upload the file and then do the email verification. Here on this top right hand side, you have menu options to access your account settings. You can click on this account settings and then look at the details of your account. Here is the account section, here is the API keys, and then here is the 2-factor authentication. Any notifications will be shown here, and then this is the other setting. Here there are few settings like turn on dark mode, time zone settings. You can also look at your billing details by clicking on this billing option. Let us come back to the email verification option here. Click on this email verification when you are ready to verify the emails. This is the area where you will be working with email verifications. We have different options here. We have file upload, paste email list. With paste email list, you can paste as many email IDs here as you want, separated by comma or return. You can directly type in, or you can also copy paste the list of email IDs here. Then you can click on this start verification button. Then we have this single email. Here you can give a single email and check whether the email is good or bad. Just for example, I am typing in bad email at gmail.com and then click on this verify. You will get the result here. It says invalid emails don't exist. And here you have this integration tab. You can see MillionVerifier integrates with all of these email marketing tools or other tools. You can click on this here to show more. There are other tools here like HubSpot, Constant Contact, Smart Lead. You can also use the API. You can see here an example of how to use the API. Let us see how we can use the bulk email verification tool. Click on this file upload. You should be having a list of email contacts in a file. As you can see, you can upload text, CSV or Excel files here. Once you are ready to verify with the file that is containing the emails, click on this select file button here. Then go to the directory where you have placed your Excel file or CSV file or text file that contains the emails to be verified, and then select that file. Here I am having a test file for the demo purpose. I'm selecting that file and click on this open button here. It will show you how many email addresses you have in the file. and then here it will show you the file name, and then it is going to show you how many credits will be used. And we have this remove duplicates turned on by default. Once you are ready, click on this start verify button to verify the list. You can see it is progressing now. The time it takes to process your file will depend on the number of emails that you have in the file that need to be verified. Here, since I have a small test file, it came back very quickly. Otherwise, it will take a few minutes for the results to show up here. So here you can see out of 9 emails, we have 6 are good, and then 2 of them are risky and 1 is bad. These are the 3 categories that we have. You can safely use these good emails. That means they are valid. You will not have any issue using them. And these risky emails is, as the name says, they are risky. You may or may not have success with those emails. And bad emails, you can completely ignore them. Then click on this download reports button. As you can see, we have good emails, risky emails, and bad emails. To be on the safe side, I recommend you download the good emails only and then use them. Once you become more familiar and you are very confident, then you can try the risky emails option also. For now, let us click on this good emails only option. You can see the file has been downloaded with good emails. We can open that file. Now that we have this file, then you can use this file in your old email marketing campaign. Let me close this out. As I mentioned earlier, if you are not using the risky emails download, you will get the credit back. You have seen our file contained 9 emails to be verified. Initially, it subtracted 9 from our credit balance, and then we downloaded the good ones and we did not touch the risky emails. We got the credit back for those risky emails. Give it a try and let me know in the comments section how it works for you. If you need help setting up cold email machines for your marketing campaign or building automated lead generations, please reach out to me. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let me know in the comment section if there is any specific topic you want to be covered. Bye until next video.